The continuation of the previous class in arithmetic progression. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. We know this, the first term is A, second term that is A plus D, third term A plus 2D, fourth term A plus 3D. Here first term A plus 0 into D, second term A plus 2 minus 1 into D, third term A plus 2D means 3 minus 1 into D, fourth term 4 minus 1 into D, fifth term that is A plus 4D. Like this, if we continue like this, nth term, the general term, nth term become A plus, here fifth term is 5 minus 1 into D, fourth term we can write it as 4 minus 1 into D, this is we can write it as A plus 1 minus 1 into D, it can be written as A plus 2 minus 1 into D, it can be written as A plus 3 minus 1 into D, it can be written as A plus 3D, we can write it as 4 minus 1 into D, A plus 4D we can write it as A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Fifth term is A plus 5 minus 1 into D. Fourth term is A plus 4 minus 1 into D. Third term is A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Like that, nth term become A plus n minus 1 into D. The general term and this is a nth term is denoted by Tn and defined as, and Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The general term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Let me see example. If A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 7, then fifth term is it is denoted by T5. T5 is A plus 5 minus 1 into D. A plus 5 minus 1 into D, that is A plus means here 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 7, so that is a 2 plus 4 into 7, so 2 plus 28, that is 30. 30 is the fifth term of the given arithmetic progression. Now example 2, if A is equal to 4, D is equal to 5, then find 15th term. 15th term is denoted by T15. We know this Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T15th term, T15 is equal to A plus 4 plus 15 minus 1 into D. D means 5. 4 plus 14 into 5. So that is a 4 plus 70. That is equal to 74. T15 is equal to 74. Next, let me see another example. If A is equal to minus 2, D is equal to minus 4, then find 10th term. Here 10th term means T10 means A plus n minus 1 into D. So A means here minus 2 plus n means 10 minus 1 into D. D means minus 4. That is equal to minus 2 plus 9 into minus 4. That is equal to minus 2 plus plus into minus, minus 36, that is equal to minus 38. Next exercise 6.2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in the following table. Given that A is the first term, B the common difference, and AN the nth term of the AP. So serial number A, B, N, AN. The first problem 7, 3, 8 dash. From this given here the first term, the common difference, and n. Now we have to find the nth term. Nth term is, what is that? That means n means 8. So we have to find the 8th term. So given here A is equal to 7, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 8. Now we have to find AN. So N equal to 8 means 8th term. So 8th term is equal to A8 is equal to, we know the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to, we know that A plus N minus 1 into D. A means here 7 plus 8 minus 1 into D. D means 3. So 7 plus 7 into 3. So 7 plus 21, that is 28. So here AN is equal to 28. What about second one? Minus 18 dash 10 and 0. That means A is equal to minus 18, D is equal to, we don't know, and N value is 10, AN is equal to 0. So A10 given, A10 is equal to 0. A10 means A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 0. So we used the formula here, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A means minus 18 plus 9 into D, D we don't know, is equal to 0. So 9D is equal to minus 18. Transfer from left side to right side, it will become minus 18 become plus 18. D is equal to 18 by 9. D is equal to 2. Third problem, dash minus 3, 18 minus 5. So here given A is not given, D is equal to minus 3, N is equal to 18 and AN is equal to minus 5. So AN is equal to minus 5. We know the one of the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. TN or AN both are same. A plus, we don't know A, N minus 1, N is 18, 18 minus 1 into D, D is minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So A plus 18 minus 1, 17 plus into minus, minus 17 into 3 is equal to minus 5. So A minus 17 3s are 51 is equal to minus 5. A is equal to minus 5 plus 51. So A is equal to 46. Let me see fourth problem. Minus 18.9, 2.5 dash and 3.6. So given A is equal to minus 18.9, D is equal to 2.5, N is equal to how much? AN equal to 3.6. So given AN is equal to 3.6, we know the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So A plus minus 18.9 plus N minus, we don't know the N minus 1 into D means 2.5 is equal to 3.6. So N minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to 3.6 minus 18.9. Transfer from left side to right side, minus become plus 18.9. So N minus 1 into 2.5 is equal to 9 plus 6, 5, 1, 19 plus, so 22.5. So N minus 1 is equal to 22.5 by 2.5. So N minus 1 is equal to, we can remove the points. So 225 by 25. 5 ones, 5 5s are, 5 4s are 20. 5 5s are, 5 1s are, 5 9s are. So N minus 1 is equal to 9. 9 is, N is equal to 9 plus 1. N is equal to 10. The last problem in this bit, fifth one, 3.5, 0, 105, how much? So given A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0, N equal to 0.105, AN is equal to how much? So AN is equal to, we know the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. N equal to 105. So A 105 is equal to A plus 3.5 plus N minus 1, 105 minus 1 into 0. So 3.5 plus 105 minus 1, 104 into 0. 0 into something, always 0. So 0 plus 3.5, 3.5. So A 105 is equal to 3.5. 105th term is 3.5. Next to second bit, find the, in this first one, 13th term of the 13th term of AP, 10, 7, 4, so on. So here given the AP, given the AP, 10, 7, 4, so on. So here T1 is equal to 10, T2 is equal to 7, T3 is equal to 4. So the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1 or A2 minus A1. So we will get 7 minus 10. So that is minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 10 and D is equal to minus 3. We have to find the 30th term. The 30th term, it is denoted by T30. So we are using the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. So here A is 10 plus N means 13th term. So 30 minus 1 into D minus 3. That is 10 plus 29 into minus 3. So 10 plus into minus, minus 29 3s are 57. 10 minus 57 minus 47. So 30th term is minus 47. Here it is 87, 77. Next to second problem. 11th term of the AP. minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to so on. Solution given the AP minus 3 minus 1 by 2 to so on. So here T1 is equal to minus 3, T2 is equal to minus 1 by 2, T3 is equal to 2. So common difference, the common difference is T2 minus T1. So minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 3, LCM is 2, you will get minus 3 plus 6, that is a 5 by 2. So A is equal to minus 3, D is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore 11th term, it is denoted by T11 using the formula A plus N minus 1 into D. So A means minus 3 plus N is 11 minus 1 into D, 5 by 2. So minus 3 plus 10 into 5 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are minus 3 plus 25. 25 minus 3, that is 22. 11th term is 22.